Yeah. Ha. Rosewood. Yeah. Nigga. I met her in a blue jean denim, and for that purse she spent 2 G's like the Gucci emblem. I'm me for me, believe I ain't fucking with hype. Life's a bitch and I'm fucking with Dyke. She can only stay if I'm fucking tonight. Living for the day and we up for the night. She getting too attached to be husband and wife. Me and my nigga D, we get it in. We'll never ever live like this again. Waiting for a flight to Switzerland, splitting them dividends. That bullshit for the birds, man. Fuck you and your bitch and friends. Tutorial on how to do it, nigga. Welcome to the seminar. They want to have young niggas spit this hard. We can fuck around, cause she know the dick's in charge. I gotta hit these niggas, man, and I'ma hit them hard. Misfit gang, we getting it all. We fucking with it if there's liquor involved. And if niggas got a problem, then we getting it solved. I'm running back to whoever kicking it off. Head nigga in charge, boy, but my bitch a boss. Yeah. Do you love this shit? Are you high right now? Do you ever get nervous? Are you single? I heard you fuck your girl, is it true? You getting money, you think them niggas you with is with you? And we say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fucking right, alright. We say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fucking right, alright. Say
real nigga problems on my mind, but never let them show. All my girls have a spot in my heart, but I always let them go. Except for one, she was special. She would always touch her toes and shake her ass while I grab at me, lost for words. She did all the verbs, I just encourage the haters to keep hating. I'm impatient with dating, I'm chasing, I'm racing to the pussy like Pepe. And if she don't wanna F me, she nexted, and that's when I met her. When I get her, I text her, you less heard of already. Don't sleep on me, I'm Freddy. Your girl's ready, my dick's hard, you're unthought of, and always gets brought up. What am I proud of? What am I doing? That question so stupid. You know this, I'm focused. My weed is so potent, I'm lifted and I'm sipping. I should just quit, but I just won't. No gun smoke, no violence. Just having the times that we can't forget what our minds spent. That's my time wide spent.
do you love this shit? Are you high right now? Do you ever get nervous? Are you single? I heard you fuck your girl, is it true? You getting money, you think them niggas you with is with you? And we say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fucking right, alright. We say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fucking right,